Imagine this. You wake up one day and a simple habit, like exercising, journaling, or studying, feels as natural as breathing. No struggle, no forcing it. Sound impossible? It's not. The secret? Just 21 days. But does it really work? Let's find out. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the 21-day rule, a concept that promises to transform your habits in just 3 weeks. Why should you care? Well, whether you're aiming to ace your studies, hit the gym, or just stop doom scrolling at 2 a.m., this might be the hack you've been waiting for. By the end of this video, you'll know not only what the 21-day rule is, but also how to make it work for you. Ready? Let's go. 1. What is the 21-day rule? So, here's the deal. The 21-day rule suggests that it takes just 21 days to form a new habit. The idea became popular through Dr. Maxwell Maltz, a plastic surgeon in the 1950s. He noticed that patients adjusted to their new faces or amputations in about 3 weeks. People took this idea and applied it to habits, like picking up a book instead of your phone or meditating instead of snoozing. Think of your favorite anime character on a transformation arc, like Goku training to achieve super saiyan. Sure, it takes grit, but habits, they're the real-life version of that power boost. Start small. Whether it's drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning or studying 15 minutes daily, commit to it for 3 weeks. Let your brain warm up to the change. Now, here's the twist. 21 days is just the start. Studies show it takes closer to 66 days to make a habit automatic, but those first 3 weeks, they're crucial for building momentum. Ever tried learning a new skill, like playing the guitar? At first, it's awkward. Your fingers fumble and you're ready to quit. But by day 21, you're strumming without overthinking. That's the power of consistency. Think of the 21-day rule as your foundation. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. Show up every day, even if it's messy. But what happens when you miss a day or 7? Is all hope lost? Don't worry, because setbacks are part of the journey. Let's wrap this up. So, here's the bottom line. The 21-day rule is your gateway to lasting change. It won't turn you into a productivity ninja overnight, but it's a powerful start. Begin small, stay consistent, and forgive yourself when you slip. Remember, every great hero, from Deku to Naruto, stumbled before they soared. Now, it's your turn. Start today. Pick one habit and commit to it for 21 days. Need help deciding? Drop your habit goal in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And hey, if this video gave you a little boost, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Oh, and don't miss the next video on the myth of multitasking. See you there.